talking with the neighbor's socks off. Anyways, we'll be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So it's been a while since I've done like a video. It's been like 2020, and then I did a video here on 2021, and it's been a while. So let's get started. So it's me, Isabella. Today we'll be doing a Dollar Tree haul inspired by Valentine's Day. So the first thing I have is these skateboards. You can write them to your family, friends, and say, "Dear Mom" from Dad, "Dear BFF" from Isabella and stuff. So the next thing we have is really weird. Mini pots. And if you want to know what I'm gonna do with these and all my other stuff, you gotta go check out my other video. Sorry. We got, next thing is 8 of these like stamps. So we got "You Rock," hugs. We got "Love Never Fall." We got hugs and cars, and I don't know why they have a car, like, and anyways, like hearts, a very good heart, and now we got sticks. Got sticks. We got like a bunch of sticks. We got 10 sticks. 100 sticks! I don't know if this was 100, but anyways, we got 6 sticks. Make sure to watch my other video, like I said, to know why I'm using sticks. We also got these fuzzy, like stickers, and you can, behind them you can see the felt, kind of. I don't know if the camera can see that, but like the felt behind it. The next thing is, the other one fell. The next thing is these mason jars. Endless mason jars, by the way. Endless mason jars. So we got mason jars. I don't know why I'm playing that song 20 times. But anyways, we got mason jars for, like, you can put like a heart in front of it and stuff like that. So like a heart in front of it, and like put a sticker on it and stuff like that. You can put hot chocolate, make some marshmallows, and put a straw on it and stuff like that. And the other one fell. It's a golden top one. And the last thing we got is we got a Valentine's Day inspired, like, you can make flowers with this, and it's like things to lay out tables. So we got this. I don't know what that. And I'm not using this for like putting it in a bag. So make sure to stay tuned on what I'm gonna use this for, because I'm not telling you. It's gonna like spoil it. So that was all the things that I got from Dollar Tree. That was all the things that I got from Dollar Tree. And make sure to stay tuned on my other video, so you guys can see what I'm going to make with all of these crazy stuff. Well, not all of the crazy stuff, but anyways, bye guys!